This is Afternoon Delight by the Starland Vocal Band, and my first attempt at the ukulele video recording. Hope you like it. Gonna find my baby, gonna hold her tight, gonna grab some afternoon delight. My motto's always been, when it's right, why wait until the middle, cold dark night, when everything's a little clearer in the light of day. And we know the night is gonna be here anyway. Thinking of you's working at my appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Rubbing sticks and stone together make the sparks ignite, and the thought of rubbing you is getting so exciting. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight, afternoon delight. Starting out this morning feeling so polite, I never thought a fish that could not caught didn't fight. But you got some beta waiting, I think I might like nibbling a little afternoon delight. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight, oh my gosh, afternoon delight. Afternoon delight. Be waiting for me, baby, when I come around. We can make a lot of loving before the sun gone down. Thinking you's working up my appetite, looking forward to a little afternoon delight. Rubbing sticks and stone together make the sparks ignite, and the thought of rubbing you is getting so exciting. Sky rockets in flight, afternoon delight. I forgot my chord again.